This ancient berry was once used to treat wounds on the battlefield. Now it's healing joints in seniors over 60. You won't believe what it is, and it might already be in your kitchen. Every 12 seconds, a senior is hospitalized from joint collapse, and in 90% of those cases, there's one major reason: collagen breakdown. But what if we told you there are foods, yes, real foods, that can rebuild your joints from the inside out? Some you've heard of, some you've ignored. And one of them? It can boost your body's natural collagen production by over 200%. Meet Grace. She's 76, lives alone, and used to dread walking down her own stairs. Her knees would click, her legs felt shaky. She stopped gardening and even turned down an invitation to her granddaughter's recital. Then one day, after nearly falling in her kitchen, she decided enough was enough. Her daughter, a nutritionist, helped her discover 10 powerful collagen-rich foods, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian, that changed everything. 6 months later, Grace walks daily, climbs stairs easily, and even leads her church's wellness group. Today, we'll show you those exact foods, ranked from least to most powerful, and how to use them to rebuild your joints, restore flexibility, and move with confidence again. Do your knees crack loudly? Do your hips ache after sitting too long? Is your balance worse than it used to be? It's not just age, it's collagen loss. By the time you turn 60, your body produces up to 75% less collagen than it did in your 30s. And if you're vegetarian, you're even more at risk, unless you know the right foods. Let's count them down. If this is already opening your eyes, hit the subscribe button. We share real science, real hope, and real transformation every week. Only on the longevity table. Food number 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral your body needs to build and stabilize collagen. Most seniors are low in zinc, especially if they don't eat much red meat. This leads to slow healing, weak joints, and stiffer legs. These seeds also contain magnesium, which helps relax muscles and improve blood flow to your joint. How to use. Eat 2 tablespoons a day. Sprinkle on oatmeal, salads, or soups. Roast them lightly to preserve nutrients. Bonus tip: combine with oranges or bell peppers for vitamin C, which boosts collagen formation. Food number 9. Chicken bone broth. Bone broth is rich in type 2 collagen, the kind your knees and spine need most. It also contains glucosamine and chondroitin, which cushion joints and reduce swelling. How to use. Sip 1 cup daily in the morning. Make it at home or buy grass-fed options without additives. Bonus: add turmeric and black pepper for extra anti-inflammatory power. Food number 8. Spirulina. This green algae is a collagen powerhouse. It's full of glycine and proline, amino acids your body uses to build new collagen. Spirulina also has copper and iron, which activate enzymes that stabilize your collagen fibers. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon into a smoothie with lemon juice. Avoid heat. It destroys nutrients. Bonus tip: it also boosts antioxidant levels and reduces joint damage from oxidative stress. Food number 7. Chicken skin. Yes, you read that right. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of collagen, especially glycine and hydroxyproline. How to use. Bake or grill. Avoid frying. Eat in moderation, paired with veggies rich in vitamin C. Warning: not suitable if you have high cholesterol or heart conditions. Consult your doctor. Food number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds provide plant-based omega-3s, protein, magnesium, and calcium, all of which support collagen-rich tissues like cartilage and tendons. How to use. Soak 2 tablespoons in water or almond milk for 15 to 30 minutes. Eat as a pudding or add to smoothies. Bonus: helps reduce inflammation and promotes joint lubrication. Food number 5. Fish collagen peptides. Collagen from fish is easier for your body to absorb than other forms. It helps rebuild skin elasticity, reduce joint pain, and improve recovery after movement. How to use. Add 1 scoop to cold drinks or smoothies. Look for hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides. Bonus: combine with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid supplements for best results. Food number 4. Sweet potatoes. These are packed with beta-carotene and vitamin C, both critical for collagen creation. They also reduce joint swelling thanks to natural anti-inflammatory pigments. How to use: bake, mash, or roast. Eat the skin for extra fiber. Bonus: add olive oil and turmeric for even stronger joint support. Food number 3. Eggs. Egg whites contain proline and lysine, 2 key amino acids for collagen production. How to use: boil, scramble, or poach. Pair with spinach and bell peppers. Caution: if you have cholesterol concerns, talk to your doctor before eating eggs daily. Food number 2. Sunflower seeds. Loaded with vitamin E and selenium, both protect and repair collagen from damage. They also support thyroid function, which controls how fast your body heals and regenerates. How to use: eat 1 tablespoon raw or roasted daily. Add to yogurt, salads, or smoothies. Bonus: their healthy fats improve skin elasticity and reduce joint dryness. Food number 1. Sea buckthorn berries. Sea buckthorn contains omega-3, 6, 7, and 9, all in one fruit. It also packs more vitamin C than oranges. It stimulates your fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen, and reduces joint inflammation by over 30%. How to use: take 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed sea buckthorn oil in the morning. Mix into juice, never heat it. Bonus: it improves joint mobility, strengthens skin, and even boosts wound. Rebuilding your joints takes time, but these foods work from the inside out. Start with just 1 food. Try it for 7 days, then come back and tell us how you feel. Which one of these foods have you tried? Which one are you adding to your meals this week? Drop it in the comments. We read and reply to every message. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And remember, you're not too old, you're just getting started.